Hi traders, good evening all. Hope you all doing good. So let's see the trade plan for tomorrow. Nifty. So what it did? So it opened a flat open here, and then it started scaling up. It rejected this high. Okay, it rejected this high towards this. So here if you see this, it rejected this zone. Okay, and then all of a sudden a crack happened towards this zone. Okay, towards the zone. So towards the zone. So if you ask me whether this fall is expected, I would say definitely yes. I was expecting here. But as I said, lot of things had changed. Okay, at least today the volumes had picked up here. If you see here, the volumes were much below 6000k. Okay, where the average volumes used to be more than 7500k before June 1st. If you see on March, it used to be 7000k, 6434 May. I'm talking about May. So here it's nearly about 8000, 7700, 7800, 7142, 9000. So the volumes been good. 7500, 6600. So at least the average volumes used to be more than 7000 on average. Okay, but if you see, especially not today, if you see, it is not even crossing 5000 consolidated. 6000, 5900, 4500. So volume is the fuel for any move. Okay, so once a fuel is not there, the moves will be stagnant, moves will stop. So that's what it happened here, because of the margin rules, new margin rules, where volumes are dipping out. Okay, and the sudden moves are happening. If you see the sudden moves, if you see here, sudden moves, the spikes, sudden moves, that too it is happening after 230 or 245. So where you will be forced to exit the trades, then the move will happen. So that was the reason. What I did was, from this day, I avoided trading index, both the indices. So I started trading stocks. I'm just at least happy with that. Okay, now coming to Nifty, what we can expect tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow there is a fair chance expiry might be within this range. Okay, 15,550. So the range is 15,550 and 15,720. This looks the range, and mostly I expect if we open somewhere here, mostly I expect trade likely to be within the zone for the complete day. Even if it goes down, it might come up. Even if it goes up, it might come up. On the higher side, I will be watching 15740 zone, especially this zone. Okay, if bulls take this with strength, then probably we might look for this POC, which is 15795. Let's say 15800. So the plan is until 15740. Okay, this is the important zone for bulls, 15740 to 15720. If bulls struggle to take, they might come towards here. If we open somewhere here, if it struggles to take this, we might come here. In case if it takes properly on a pullback, I will be looking for a buy towards this as a target. Okay, and in case if we open here, then obviously this is my zone, 15720 towards 15600. This is my zone of play. So I might be interested playing the stocks, as I said, not in index. Okay, but the plan is this. Coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also did the same thing. On this day, after this sell-off, I thought we might go towards this VPOC zone of 34800. Okay, after some sideways move, but the sideways move was totally took me surprise, where even if you see here, the volumes are even much lower than that. The ranges are these kind of ranges in May, during May, used to happen in the initial balance itself. Initial balance is nothing but the first 1 hour we will do this range. Say like total 500 point range, we will do that in first 1 hour itself during May. If you watch May, the IBR, see this IBR, 414 points, 350 points, 570 points. So see here, 530 points, whereas now the range itself for the total day, it is trading 500 points. So that is what this new margin rule had done for both the indices. Okay, if it is a normal thing, okay, what I expected here would have been started happening here itself. 4th June, this sell-off would have brought that at least by 5th June it should have happened. I mean this. That's why I said yesterday I was expecting the sell-off yesterday, and now it happened today. So it is happening after a day, but being an intraday trader, I can't just go with and trade holding a overnight position. Okay, anyway, I am happy with the stock trades. Bank Nifty, so this zone is a very important zone where previously market had went up. So here 34,700 or 680 is the level to watch here, this zone. Okay, this is the zone to watch in case if market opens here, in case if you open flat, if it resists here, we are going to test this 34,800 and towards this level. Okay, and any up move likely to happen only about 35,200 mark. In case if you open flat and if we take this 35,000 mark and goes and takes 35,200 comfortably on the pullback here, if it takes this 35,200 comfortably on the pullback, we can buy looking for 35,470 or 500 mark. Okay, this level likely to trade. until we don't cross this 35,040 comfortably, okay, we are going to trade within this range 34,700 towards 35,000 at least for the first half of the period. And in case if it opens here and comes and breaks 34,700 very strongly, then we are going towards 34,550 as well. Okay, so that is the plan for Bank Nifty. And on option open interest, if you see Nifty, the highest call open interest still pegs around 15,800. The put open interest from 15,700 shifted towards 15,500. So they have a room of 15,800 to 15,500. So 300 point range as of now, as of today's close. So that says tomorrow is going to be a good volatility expiry. And in case if this climbs, still we have 200 point range to play. Okay, so what happened was this 15,700, when the huge shedding happened, that is where the falls started even much. So here the range is 15,500 to 15,800. This can be relocated towards here probably. So tomorrow we need to watch. So at least the range here as of now is 15,500 to 15,700. Bank Nifty, here in this software we had added all this stuff: short covering, short build up, short covering, long build up. So all that stuff lively we had updating. Still it is not for general public as of now. We are building up even lot more thing here. Once it's done, we will release it for general public. Okay, coming to this Bank Nifty, 35,500 is the highest open interest, and it was at 35,000 before it shedded. Shorts been covered here, and then now it been shifted to 34,500. So that's the reason I am saying once 34,700 breaks, we are on for 34,500 on spot. Okay, because future is trading with a good premium. Okay, and Kotak Bank trade, we will explain it in another video why we went long here. Okay, so we will explain it in a other video. We went long here, we covered it here. Okay, that was a good trade. So that's it for now. Catch you all on next episode next week. Have a great expiry. As always, respect your risk, and if there is a trade, go and trade, else stay away from trade. Market is going to be here for all the time. You need to protect your capital, and you need to use that capital on best trade setups, okay, where you can defend your risk. Have a great expiry day, guys. Take care. Catch you all next week. Bye.